So hi. So this is the video about my success story, which I have asked questions to you. Which I have asked the question in the morning, like, would you like to know the story how come my page from 0 followers to 1,000 followers had come? I thought how it started. Okay. Uh, when I was, when I was after finishing my tarot card course, I was just wondering what to do next. I don't even know like what to do, because we cannot go outside, we cannot deal with people like one to one. So I was worried, and I seeked my answers from my spiritual teacher, or my to start with as a official and professional page for tarot. So I did. Okay, this is how it is started. And even though I had so much of friends, so much of people, we know each other, nobody, I mean, we cannot get more followers, than I thought. Okay, all of a sudden what I thought is, before starting the page, I'll always do tarot for myself, like how is my day going to be, how is my second week of July it's going to be, how is my upcoming days is going to be. So we'll always do it for myself. Okay, this is how I started. I'll always do it for myself. How is my day going to be, is it going to be good or not? It always warn me, like, keep your mouth shut. Okay, this is a time for patience. Okay, it's always guide me, okay. So what I have done is, when I was in the second week of July, I was wondering like what to do. I was taking a random card for myself, because I have no one to do for. Like, nowadays I'm doing it for you guys, but then in that period I don't know to whom to see for it. So what I did is, okay, let me see how is my third week of July it's going to be. When I picked the card, you must see the card. You must see the card actually. So this is the card which I have got for the third week of July. This is the card I have got for myself. Okay, you know what? I got scared. This is the card for the tower. We call it as tower. This is a great transformation, great change. We need to accept it. Okay, we need to accept the card. I wasn't scared. Okay, it is going to happen in my personal life or professional life. I was really scared. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Okay, then on the random night, I just thought of, okay, let me give a shot for promotion. Let me start with the 200, 300 people. Later we can move on with the thousands of followers. On the night, I have pinged one of the Instagram followers, which you know. She pinged me again, and through our conversation, the promotion got aired the next day. You will not believe, over on the third week of July, overall night, I think it happened on Tuesday. Okay, I have predicted on the second week of July. I have asked the question how it is my third week it is going to be. This is how it is. My third week was a tower, and I have got tremendous response, like 1,000 followers. Could you believe that? Even I was astonished. Even I was shocked. Okay, this is a card like surprising, shocking, transformation, and change. This is how it is. So for some of you guys, if you wonder, do this card really answers? Do these cards really work? Yes, it worked for me. Trust me, I'm saying it has worked it has worked for me. Okay, all of a sudden I have got all of you guys, and thank you so much for your support. Okay, this is the card I have got. All of a sudden I have got huge followers, huge responses, positive responses. Yes, I was very, it was a very overwhelming for me. It was overwhelming for me. I don't know, like it's a shock and surprises, both happy and both nervous. It has occurred on me. Okay, this is how it has started. Was my story. This is how tarot helped me. Be ready. Be ready. This is how your third week of July it's going to be. So this is how it is. This is how the tarot helps. So the people who are so hesitated, whether it will work or not, I don't know. Should I believe this or not? This is my story, guys. What I'm telling you is a real story. What I'm telling you is a real story. Okay. One more thing. Recently, I have questioned my tarot about whether I should start a YouTube channel. Whether I should start a YouTube channel. Guess what? What I have got the card? No. 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 Because the tarot always helped me. Because this is my cards. I never allow any kind of person to touch my cards. Because I never even allow my parents, my sister, whoever it is. This is my card. I never allow anyone to touch my cards. Even for you guys, I'll pray and I'll pick a card for you. This is a card has come for me. Because it has guided me. It has guided me on the last week. It has given me tremendous responses. It has given me huge transformation, which I was very happy. And this is the card. It is trying to save me from anything. It could be anything. We may not know what it could be. But it has said no, it is not the time. Take some amount of time to start a YouTube channel. So I decided to wait to start for a YouTube channel. Maybe this is not the right time. This is how tarot cards guides you guys. This is how it guides you. This is how it supports you. This is how it helps you. Okay, we may not expect from the ritual persons or from the dad or mom. This is how you can take help from the card if you want. So this was my story. I do not want to take much time. I want to finish it off very quickly. I want you guys to know like whether it will work or not. Trust me, it has worked for me. Trust me, it has worked for me. Okay, so if you have any other questions or doubts, you can message me. If you want to book a session, do not hesitate. Ping me in WhatsApp 8610337463. Do not forget to ping me in WhatsApp and get your tarot questions. If you have any doubts or any indecisiveness, you can trust the card. It will guide you. Trust the card. It will guide you. I'm sure I'm not lying. I'm sure I'm not lying. We do not lie. We do not lie. Okay. So this is how it is. If you want to book a session, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number. If any of you interested in knowing the angel cards, I have introduced a new session for angel cards. If you want to know angel cards for different 5 people, like for your mom, dad, sister, brother, friend, if any could be for 5 cards for 5 different people, you can have for one session 300 rupees. The energy exchange cost is 300 rupees. So this is how it is, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for your support and love. And I always pray for you. Whenever you book, whenever I pray, whenever I do meditation, and I always pray for you to send a huge amount of blessings, abundance, and wealth and inner peace. Okay, I always do the same. Okay, thank